my channel. I hope that everybody had a great Thanksgiving. I'm a little behind on my videos, so I wanted to just make this one really quick. I have all my subscriptions for the month of November, so I figured I'd get some done while I have the chance. This has quickly become my favorite subscription box. This is the Allure Beauty Box. Again, it's for November of 2018. And Allure is $15 a month, but I'm gonna have the link down below where you can actually get your first box for $10, and then they usually send a new member gift as well. This is how it comes. It comes wrapped in plastic, and I went ahead and I already opened it. I know what's inside. It's a really good value. So when you open it up, you always have the pamphlet on the top, and what I really like about this pamphlet is not only does it give you the products with the prices inside, but it also gives you some promo codes. The theme of the month is actually called Mask Anything. It basically is all about masks, and that is one of my favorite things ever when it comes to skincare. And the first thing I'm going to show you is from Invisibobble. As you can tell, I do use these. I had received these in another box. This comes with a pack of 3. They're traceless, they're hair caring, it avoids headaches, it has a strong grip, and it really keeps your hair up. So if you put your hair in a ponytail, you know how sometimes most rubber bands, the ponytail will be weighed down. This actually keeps that ponytail really up nicely. And then when you pull it out, it doesn't rip the hair out of your head. I've seen these in Walgreens, you can get these in Ulta. And this is $7.95. This is a pack of 3. Everybody say hello to Bailey. This is my little baby. She always has to come sit with me while I do videos. This is something that I've used many times before. It's the Glam Glow Super Mud Clearing Treatment. The full size of this is $59, so it's a bit pricey, but I know that they have smaller versions for about $24. And they also have little kits that come with mini sizes of these masks. So I think that if you really wanted to try this, then you can get it at a really affordable price. Enter the code ALLURE18 to receive 20% off any purchase of $50 or more. And that's valid from November 1st through December 31st. I've actually tried these before. This is the next thing in the box, and it's from Patchology. It's the Flash Patch Rejuvenating Eye Gels, and they give you 1 pack, 5 pairs, it's $15. So I think that it's pretty inexpensive. If you go to the website anthropology.com and you enter the code ANTHROBEAUTY, you'll receive $10 off your next full price beauty or wellness purchase of $50 or more. These glittering under eye masks work, and they work quickly. Within 5 minutes, your under eyes will feel super hydrated and look brighter. You can actually wear them while you're doing your eye makeup, and it'll catch any kind of eyeshadow fallouts, and it'll prep under your eyes for concealer. So this next thing is from the brand Coco Star, and it's a rose lip mask, and it comes with 1 mask. I'm always a little iffy with lip masks because they don't always stay. The trick that I actually do is I'll put the lip mask on first, and then I'll put a sheet mask over my face, and it does kind of hold it in place. This particular mask smooths, hydrates, and plumps lips with rose water. It does moisturize without leaving too much serum behind, making it a great base for lipstick. And you can get 20 of these for $38. So I was really excited to see this next product here because I did purchase it already and I haven't even tried it yet. So now that I have 2, I'm glad that I can at least try one and save one. This is the Glow Recipe Watermelon Jelly Sheet Mask. This is actually $8. You can buy these individually. I got mine at Sephora, but you can get it at glowrecipe.com. And if you enter the code ALLURE15, you'll receive 15% off all products except the Watermelon Glow Sleeping Mask and the Watermelon Glow Pink Moisturizer. And the code is good until January 1st. It's kind of transparent, so it goes on just like jelly. It actually looks like a clear pink jelly. It's soothing, it calms your skin's redness, it hydrates really well, it breaks up flakiness or dry patches that you may have, and I love the packaging. I think it's really cute. This next one here is from the brand Lapkos. This is a pearl brightening metallic sheet mask. This is actually $14 for 5 masks. It says that the key ingredients here are pearl extract, which provides clarity and glow to skin, Lactobacillus breaks down impurities while bringing moisture and vitality to the skin. And then White Flower Brightening Complex clarifies, smooths, and hydrates skin with the balance and moisture in the skin. Okay. Anyway, let's see how long you keep this on. So you can leave this on for 20 minutes. And you could always leave it on less time. I mean, I try to keep them on anywhere between 10 to 20 minutes, usually not any longer. You don't want to really keep a sheet mask on for longer than what they say. If you start to leave it on longer, then what happens is all that serum and all those nutrients and moisture that's going into your skin will basically go back into the mask and dry out. It'll just be a waste, basically. Last product here, which is a really hefty size. This is from the brand Star Skin. This is for your feet. It's actually an exfoliating double layer foot mask socks. So it comes with 2 of them, 1 pair, so you can, you know, do both feet. And the price of this is $15. So I'm not sure if it's 1 mask is $15, because if that's the case, then this was the cost of your box. If you go to the website starskin.com, you enter the code Allure20, you'll receive 20% off your purchase. And again, that's valid till December 31st. I've never tried anything like this before, and it says the recommended use would be every 1 to 2 months. So I guess it's really intense. So you'll basically separate using scissors. You'll separate the serum infused felt inner layer before putting on the socks, and then you'll close it securely. This will simulate a sauna-like effect for maximum results. You'll leave the socks on between 60 to 90 minutes. Avoid walking on slippery surfaces. And then you'll rinse your feet thoroughly with warm water and towel dry. It says, do not apply foot cream after treatment or in the 7 to 10 days following. Dead skin and calluses will start to peel away gradually within 7 to 10 days. The peeling process may start sooner, depending on the condition of the feet. And it's like a pedicure in overdrive. So really great for the winter time. You know, when your feet get really dry, it happens to all of us. This is gonna be really good. So I'm really looking forward to trying this. We will also give in a $10 gift towards your next full beauty purchase of $50 or more with the code AnthroBeauty. And this was just a little gift for Anthropologie.com. I've never went on this website before and I've never shopped on it, so I'll take a look. I really doubt I am gonna use this. I mean, I just don't need any other product. So if you wanna take that code, go ahead and grab that code there and you can use it. And that is everything in this Allure box. I think we got such an amazing collection of products here. We got something for your feet, so we got these exfoliating feet socks. We got 2 sheet masks. We got the watermelon jelly one. We got the brightening one. We also got a lip mask and eye masks. So we got everything for basically your whole body. And then we also received the Glam Glow clay mask, as well as something to hold your hair back while you are masking. They've been killing it. So I will have that link down below, like I was saying before. And if you haven't already, then please subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up. Let me know what you think of this box, and if you received this, if you've used any of these masks, let me know what you think about them. Until my next video, I will see you guys soon. Bye.